you guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. My name is Manish and I'm here with all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. We have a great show lined up for you guys, but before that, let me remind you to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Priyanka Chopra tells a journalist to stop pressurizing her about motherhood. Bollywood celebrity wish fans and followers on Lohri and Makar Sankranti. Janhvi Kapoor starrer Good Luck Jerry faces shooting disruption amid farmers' protest. Virat and Anushka have an interesting connection with Dhoni, says Big B. Jasmine Bhasin reacts to Sonali Phogat's feeling for Ali Goni. Priyanka Chopra Jonas is gearing up for the release of her next film, The White Tiger, which is releasing on an OTT platform. As a part of the virtual promotions, Priyanka से ये बार-बार पूछा जा रहा है कि वो माँ कब बनेंगी, and after a point, PC asked interviewers to stop putting pressure on her. Priyanka Chopra is one of the most successful crossover stars from Bollywood. In a career spanning 20 years, Priyanka has gone from being a teenage beauty queen to a successful movie star, producer, author, and an icon who is associated with several organizations working towards improving opportunities for women. Yet, उनसे बार-बार यही सवाल पूछा जाता है कि वो मॉम कब बनेगी? And it looks like even PC has had enough of the same question now. Take a look. Priyanka has not just acted in her upcoming film The White Tiger, she is also one of the producers of the film. The actor who completed filming a while ago is now doing virtual press interviews and promotions before the film's release on a leading OTT platform. During an earlier interview with a magazine, Priyanka had responded to a question about how many kids she would like to have, and she said, "I do want children, as many as I can have. A cricket team? I'm not so sure." जब उनसे अपने क्रिकेट टीम जितने बच्चे चाहने के बारे में एक दूसरे इंटरव्यूअर ने पूछा, Priyanka clarified her statement and said, "I'll take whenever I can get when it comes to Nick and I." The interview then continued the same topic about Priyanka having kids and responded with a comment that seemed to have annoyed the star. The interviewer said, "Hopefully it will be soon cause we need some more Joe Bro babies out there, honey." To which Priyanka responded and said, "Stop the pressure, look at the movie that is coming out." But while she may be getting annoyed by old-fashioned reporters who keep talking about her baby plans instead of her great movie career, PC's husband is a pillar of support, जो हमेशा उनके काम की तारीफ करते हैं. Nick shared a social media update where he is watching the trailer of The White Tiger on 2 screens and added in the caption, "Get ready, this movie is unreal and my wife Priyanka Chopra is exceptional in it." Priyanka just completed filming for the movie Text for You in London and has several movies in the pipeline. जब इतने सारे accomplishments हैं, why not focus on those instead of constantly asking a female actor about when she will become a mother? Well, we stand by PC on this one. Stop with the pressure and to focus on their upcoming film. कार्तिक आर्यन, सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा, करण जौहर, कंगना रनावत और शिल्पा शेट्टी were amongst the many Bollywood stars who wished their fans and followers a very happy Lohri with special posts on social media. 2020 में ढेर सारे डिलेज और सेटबैक्स के बाद फाइनली बॉलीवुड में खुशियां लौट आ रही हैं. Shoots have begun, stars are stepping out on holidays and for work, and after a subdued Diwali and Christmas, it looks like 2021 में लोहरी सब खुशी और धूम धमाल से मना रहे हैं, while taking all safety precautions, of course. We hope you guys had a great Lohri as well. Check out these special wishes from your favorite stars. लोहरी अपने साथ लाई है बॉलीवुड में नई उम्मीद and lots of positivity.
Happy Lohri!
B-Town celebs ने अपने फॉलोअर्स को लोहरी और मकर संक्रांति की ढेर सारी बधाइयां दी और ये दुआ की कि आने वाला साल सबके लिए लकी और प्रॉस्परस हो. कार्तिक आर्यन ने अपने सर पे पगड़ी बांध के अपने फैंस को लोहरी की विशेस दी. The actor shared a picture of himself wearing a pagdi, but while his photo has him looking super serious, उनकी कैप्शन उनका trademark sense of humor बयान कर गई. The actor wrote, "Do me a favor, let's play Lohri. लोहरी की लख लख बधाइयां." रकुलप्रीत सिंह कार्तिक के इस नए अंदाज से काफी इम्प्रेस हुई एंड शी इवन ड्रॉप्ड अ कमेंट ऑन हिज पोस्ट सेइंग ओए होए. Shilpa Shetty posted a video of herself and her whole family celebrating the traditional bonfire at their home and captioned her post, Lohri di lakh lakh vadaiya sareyan nu. May the Lohri fire burn away all the negativity and bring you joy, happiness, prosperity and love. Wishing you and your loved ones a very happy Lohri from our family. Also seen celebrating Lohri in pictures and videos was Ranbir Kapoor, जो दिल्ली में श्रद्धा कपूर के साथ लव रंजन की अगली फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहे हैं. In a video being circulated on social media, Ranbir blue shirt और brown jacket में कुछ लोगों के साथ लोहरी मनाते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. RK is seen lighting the fire and making the traditional offerings as a part of the celebration. Looks like things are slowly but surely getting back to a new normal in Bollywood, and here's hoping that this new year only brings all of us lots of luck. There's fashion for every occasion. Weddings, parties, brunches, black tie events, even girls' night out. Lekin a date night is something special where you need to wear something romantic, yet not too over the top for your babe. Whether it's a tried and tested black dress or something more bold like a bodycon outfit, you have lots of options on how you can set the right romantic mood every weekend. Take a look.
After spending almost all of 2020 indoors, restaurants are finally opening up, giving couples the chance to resume their much-needed date nights. Whether you like to keep it classy, chic, or casual, our Bollywood divas have just the right closet inspirations you need to dazzle your man. Number 1. Little black dress. You can never go wrong with a classic like a little black dress. You can wear it knee-length or slightly longer like Sonam Kapoor's black bhane dress and accessorize with dramatic earrings or keep things simple with minimal jewelry and understated makeup. Throw on a jacket if you live in a part of India that's experiencing winter currently and you are good to go. Number 2. Red dress. Red romance ka color hai, and what better way to get your bae's heart racing than to choose a dramatic red outfit. Go bold with a red off-shoulder dress like Katrina Kaif and pair it with striking high heels, or choose a red maxi dress with a deep neckline and skinny straps like Kiara Advani and keep the accessories minimal to make sure his eyes stay on just you. Number 3. Bodycon dresses. If you are one of those lucky people who shed lots of weight and got into shape during the lockdown, flaunt your new curves in a bold bodycon dress like Disha Patni. Disha Patni is often seen in floral prints and feminine body-hugging dresses. While chilling at home, and a simple pendant and ear studs add perfectly and complete this casual yet bold look. Perfect for a date night. Number 4. Slip dress. If you want to really turn on the romance on your date night, take inspiration from Janhvi Kapoor, whose purple slip dress is the perfect extra romantic date night attire. It's just the right blend of naughty and nice with delicate colors, lace, but also an open back. Add simple accessories and keep your makeup low-key to really let the dress showcase your beauty. Number 5. Sweaters and boots. Don't let the weather get in the way of romance. Stay warm and cozy in a neutral toned sweater top like Priyanka Chopra, or choose a more dramatic black turtleneck like Deepika Padukone did for her birthday recently, and pair it with a skirt or leather pants and throw in a great pair of boots to complete the winter date night look.
And it's now time to take a look at our special story for the day. वरुण धवन की दुल्हनिया बनेगी नताशा दलाल. According to well-placed sources, वरुण धवन अपनी चाइल्डहुड स्वीटहार्ट नताशा से 24 जनवरी को पूरे धूमधाम के साथ अलीबाग में शादी करेंगे. Varun Dhawan has gone from Coolie number 1 to Dolly number 1 and is reportedly getting hitched to girlfriend Natasha Dalal in a grand Punjabi ceremony. Papa David Dhawan has reportedly sent out e-invites requesting कि उनके guests 22nd to 24th January को अपने calendars free रखें for this much awaited शादी. According to a source who has been invited to the wedding, 22nd और 23rd को संगीत और मेहंदी के फंक्शंस होंगे और 24th को वरुण और नताशा बनेंगे मिस्टर एंड मिसेस धवन इन फुल pomp and Punjabi splendor. We are eager to see what the bride and groom will be wearing to all these traditional functions and who the other B-Town celebrities attending this much awaited wedding will be. But one thing is for sure, there will be lots of B-Town residents in Alibag next week as they head out to attend the Dhawan Dalal wedding. Interestingly, Varun had said in a recent interview कि वो शादी करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आसपास का माहौल देखकर he can't be certain when the marriage will take place. Varun and Natasha have been one of the most rock-solid pairs in Bollywood. The two have known each other for over a decade now, but it's only recently that they have started talking more freely about their relationship. Natasha has stayed away from the media and keeps a low profile, but the pair has been spotted taking holidays, attending events, and celebrating all festivals together. Here's wishing them all the happiness in the world.
Diva, who is he?
That's Papa.
Are you sure this is Papa?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
More.
Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma became parents this week, and it looks like even Amitabh Bachchan couldn't help but share his thoughts on this good news. अमित जी ने मैसेजिंग ऐप्स पे शेयर हो रहे एक टेक्स्ट को अपने सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट पे शेयर करते हुए ये प्रिडिक्ट किया है कि सारे क्रिकेटर्स की बेटियां आगे चल के विमेन्स टीम बनाएंगी, जिसकी कैप्टन शायद धोनी की बेटी जीवा होंगी. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma may have asked the paparazzi to avoid clicking pictures of their daughter, but Amit ji को उनकी happiness में शामिल होने से विरुष्का भी नहीं रोक पाए. After a brand shared an adorable ad celebrating the arrival of their baby, the Shahenshah of Bollywood took to social media to share his excitement about Anushka and Virat's daughter and what this delivery could mean for the future of cricket. Take a look. While we wait to find out Anushka and Virat's baby's name or get a first glimpse of the cute baby who has captured the imagination of a nation, Amit ji bhi apni excitement rok nahi paaye. The veteran actor shared a graphic that has been circulating on messaging apps and social media. The graphic has names of 12 Indian cricketers who all have daughters, with Virat's daughter joining this special list of little girls with cricketer daddies. बिग बी ने इस पोस्ट को शेयर करते हुए कमेंट किया, एंड धोनी ऑल्सो हैज अ डॉटर, विल शी बी कैप्टन? दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग कनेक्शन दैट हैज बीन ट्रैक्ड डाउन बाय क्रिकेट फैंस कि सारी लीडिंग प्लेयर्स के घर बेटियां हुई है, एंड व्हाइल देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट दे विल टेक अप स्पोर्ट्स, इट विल रियली बी अमेजिंग इफ एट लीस्ट सम ऑफ दीज यंग लेडीज डिसाइड टू टेक अप क्रिकेट एंड प्ले फॉर द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम लाइक देयर फादर्स. भले ही अमिताभ ने शेयर किया था ये पोस्ट in good spirits, but now the fans have trolled the legend as they said that even in cricket, Bollywood can't think above nepotism. Well, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा कि अनुष्का विराट या फिर धोनी की डॉटर्स अपने अपने करियर्स में क्या करेंगी, but for now, Virushka have requested that the press not include their daughter in any pictures or videos. There are reports that Anushka may be discharged this week and that she might choose to leave at night to avoid any press photographers. The power couple has sent paparazzi photographers special gift hampers with a note that says, "Hi, thank you for all the love that you have given us over the years. As parents, we have a simple request to make to you. We want to protect the privacy of our child and we need your help and support. We would request you to kindly not take or carry any content that has our child." Here's hoping their request is respected, but we can't help but feel excited about baby Sharma, Kohli and baby Dhoni in the women's cricket team someday. Well guys, it's time for a very quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere, we have a lot more on the other side.
तो सलमान सर से प्यार हो गया जब से जैस्मिन आउट हुई, उनकी आंखों में आंसू आ गए, मुझे प्यार हो गया. कोई बात नहीं, नसीब.
Jasmine Bhasin may be out of a reality show, लेकिन the actor celebrated Lohri in grand style.
दुबले हो गए मैम आप.
मैं मुझे क्यों नहीं पतली कहा तुमने? तुम्हें कैसे पता? हमें पता है.
जैस्मिन ने सारे ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस घर पे बनाए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिलके इस फेस्टिवल को मनाया. Jasmine Bhasin has had an eventful week indeed. The actor was eliminated from the reality show hosted by Salman Khan. She expressed her love for Ali Goni and also revealed that she planned to marry him. The pretty star, who has worked on several TV shows, was one of the strongest contenders to win this season, and her elimination did cause furore on social media. Here's the story. जैस्मिन शो से रोते रोते निकली थी और उनके बेस्ट फ्रेंड टर्न बॉयफ्रेंड एली का उनसे सेपरेट होके बुरा हाल था।
शो में रोए थे पूरे, तो उसके ऊपर क्या कहेंगे?
सलमान सर स्वीट हार्ट है, वो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं और मैं भी उनकी बहुत इज्जत करती हूँ।
It looks like Jasmine is slowly adjusting back to regular life and planned a grand Lohri celebration at home with her friends. जैस्मिन आइडियली अपने फैमिली के साथ अपने होम टाउन में लोहरी मनाना चाहती थी, बट गिवन द पैंडेमिक वो इस बार नहीं जा पाई। जैस्मिन के लिए लोहरी का मतलब है बॉनफायर के अराउंड डांस और फुले, रेवड़ी, सरसों दा साग एंड मक्की दी रोटी जैसे ट्रेडिशनल फूड को एंजॉय करना है। Though she is away from her parents and grandmother, Jasmine ने सारे ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस घर पे बनाए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ लोहरी को मनाया। But soon after Jasmine's departure, a new drama has started brewing on the reality show, with another contestant, Sonali Phogat, confessing to Arshi Khan and Ejaz Khan that she had feelings for Ali Goni. While the actor turned politician is being trolled for trying to create unnecessary drama and finding new tricks to continue on the show. But Jasmine has reacted calmly to this new development and responded to Sonali, expressing her feelings in a social media post where she said, "I think Sonali expressing her feelings for Ali Goni was very cute. Love is love. There is no harm in sharing your feelings with someone. Ali knows how to deal with these things, and I believe he is dealing with the situation very gracefully." Well, we do hope that her feelings don't come in the way of the feelings Ali and you have for each other, Jasmine. Here's hoping Ali और आपका रिश्ता बहुत जल्द पक्का हो जाए and you two live happily ever after. And with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place. You know the drill, with all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. But while we're gone, don't forget to stay tuned to the Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. We'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, ciao.